Do you want to slow down your aging process? Here is one important thing you can do for healthy aging. As we age, our bodies goes through countless changes that can affect our vitality, energy, and overall health. However, there is one hormone that can play a vital role in slowing down the aging process, and that is testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone that is predominantly known for its role in male characteristics such as muscle mass, strength, and sex drive. But did you know that it also plays a crucial role in overall health and anti-aging? As we age, our bodies naturally starts to produce less testosterone. This decline can lead to various symptoms such as decreased energy, loss of muscle mass, increased body fat, and decreased libido. But don't worry, there are ways to naturally increase your testosterone level and reap the benefit of anti-aging. Here are the 5 quick tips for boosting your natural testosterone level. Number 1. Exercise regularly and lift weight. Resistance training and high-intensity interval training has been shown to naturally increase your testosterone level. Number 2. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone production, including testosterone. Number 3. Eat healthy fats. Healthy fats such as those found in avocado, nuts, and olive oil can help promote the production of testosterone. Number 4. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can suppress the testosterone production, so be sure to find a way to manage and reduce stress in your life. And number 5. Spice it up. Certain herbs and spices like tangatali, ashwagandha, fenugreek, ginger, and garlic has shown to increase your natural testosterone level. If your natural testosterone level are still not in the optimal range, then it's time to consider hormone replacement therapy or testosterone replacement therapy. Talk to your provider and discuss your options. Now you may be wondering, why does the testosterone matter when it comes to anti-aging? Well, studies have shown that adequate level of testosterone can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and osteoporosis. It can also enhance your mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. In conclusion, take care of your testosterone level as they play a vital role in anti-aging and overall health. Remember to exercise regularly, get enough sleep, eat healthy fat, reduce stress, and spice up your life. Get your level tested today. Talk to your provider and discuss the option to optimize your natural testosterone level and slow down your aging process.